vTiger versus SuiteCRM versus HubSpot. Which one should you actually be using for your business? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down vTiger, SuiteCRM, and HubSpot CRM, three solid platforms a lot of small and mid-sized businesses use, so you can pick the one that fits your sales team or customer management needs best. Let's start with vTiger. It's built for small teams who want a simple CRM with basic sales and marketing tools. It has decent contact management, email tracking, and project management features too. Great if you're looking for something affordable and easy to set up, but it can feel a bit outdated compared to newer CRMs. Now let's talk about SuiteCRM. SuiteCRM is 100% open source, so it gives you full control. Perfect if you're technical or already using Sugar CRM. You can customize it however you want, but that also means more setup and maintenance than cloud-based options like HubSpot. Finally, there's HubSpot CRM. This one's the big player. Totally free version with powerful tools for managing contacts, deals, emails, and even automation. If you're growing fast and want something intuitive with killer support, HubSpot wins by a mile. So which one is better? If you want free all-in-one CRM with great tools, go with HubSpot. If you're into customization and don't mind self-hosting, try SuiteCRM. And if you're a small team looking for a budget-friendly option, vTiger might work just fine. All three are awesome, just built for different kinds of businesses. Let me know in the comments which CRM you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.